If your desktop looks wrong, where your icons are missing, taskbar moved, or your screen zoomed in or rotated, stop. You do not need to reset or reinstall Windows. In this video, I will show you how to reset your desktop back to normal safely without deleting any files. Now, before we jump into the manual steps, if you would rather not go through all these settings one by one, I actually built a small desktop restore tool that safely automates everything I'm about to show you. It is designed for non-technical users who just want their desktop fixed without worrying about clicking the wrong thing. It doesn't delete files, it doesn't reset Windows. It simply restores your desktop layout, taskbar, system icons, and theme safely. If you prefer automation and peace of mind, the tool is linked in the pinned comments below. Now let's begin with the fix. The first method resets display. We need to make sure your display is normal. Right-click on the desktop. Click Display Settings. Under the Scale and Layout section, set the scale to recommended. When done, set the display orientation to landscape. If your screen was zoomed in or rotated, this alone may fix everything. Our next fix makes the desktop icons visible. Now let's restore your desktop icons. Right-click on an empty area on the desktop. Hover over View. Make sure Show Desktop Icons is checked. If your icons were hidden, they should instantly come back. If your icons are visible now, but messy or scattered, let's reset the layout. Right-click the desktop. Hover over View. Align icons to grid. This snaps icons into clean rows and prevents them from shifting around. Now let's move on to auto-arrange icons. This feature forces icon positions. Icons will now snap to the top left, and new icons will be auto-sorted. Our next method restores default system icons. If important icons like this PC or recycle bin are missing, do this. Right-click the desktop. Select Personalize. From there, click Themes. And click on Desktop Icon Settings. Now simply check the options you prefer, which could be this PC, recycle bin, network, control panel, or user files. When done, click Apply, then OK. Your core desktop icons are now restored. Our next fix resets the taskbar. To fix the taskbar, right-click the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Under Taskbar Behavior, turn off Automatically Hide the taskbar. When done, set the taskbar alignment to center. From there, you can drag pinned apps back into order if needed. This method puts the taskbar back into a stable default state. Our final method resets the Windows theme. This will reset the overall desktop appearance. Right-click Desktop. Select Personalize. From there, click Themes. And select a Windows default theme. This automatically restores the wallpaper, colors, sounds, and visual layouts without touching your files. Now, instead of manually adjusting each settings, you can let the tool organize everything cleanly in seconds. Let me show you. I will simply choose the option to organize icons into clean rows. Just press Enter and it will automatically enable auto-arrange and align to grid properly. It will move on to refresh the desktop so everything snaps into place. Your icons will instantly move into structured rows and stay aligned. This is especially useful if your desktop keeps shifting around. The tool is in the pinned comment if you want a safer one-click solution.